All right, people, welcome back to the channel. I am Manning's Man, and this is I Am Sure Sports. We have a quick track and field update for you. If you're watching the platform right now, remember to please do these three things: hit the like button, one, share the content too, and make sure that you subscribe to the platform. That is how you support I Am Sure Sports. All right, so go ahead and do that right now as we introduce you to our sponsors, Tricknick Catering. Here we go. So hit the like button, like, share, subscribe. 30 seconds.
Tricknick Jerk Marinade gives your meats and vegetables authentic Jamaican jerk flavor. The spices are directly from Jamaica. Spices like jerk seasoning, allspice, scotch bonnet pepper, fresh scallions, thyme, ginger, and garlic. The key ingredients to a great jerk marinade. 0% sugar and low in sodium. You want to try it?
All right, there you go. Hope you have done that. So let's get right into our content. Now, as you would have known that today was the Miramar Invitational for 2023, and in the men's 100 meters, we had several Jamaicans, right? But we're going to speak to Oblique Seville and Akeem Blake, our two of our young guns just coming through, just breaking out. They had their, you'd say, their initial season, full season last year, and this year a lot is expected of them. So they had a couple of a round, and then the finals of the 100 meters, and they put in stellar performances. But before I tell you what their times are, you must understand that the legal wind speed for the time to be recorded as a record, you still win the race, is it cannot exceed 2 point, believe it's 2.0 ms, right? It cannot. That is, the tailwind should not exceed an average velocity of 2.0. So bear that in mind as you see these times. So Oblique Seville, he won. Akeem Blake was second. So let me show you the results of this race. So this is what the race looked like. This is the final result of the race. As you can see, Oblique Seville of Jamaica, he won in a time of 9.91 seconds, right? You see his reaction time. He had the second best reaction time. I think the reaction time of Eric Harrison of Trinidad and Tobago was better, and then Oblique Seville. The wind speed was 2.2, right? The time that he did, 9.91 seconds. So four athletes broke 10 seconds in this particular race. Akeem Blake of Jamaica, he was seconds, 200 of a seconds behind Oblique Seville in 9.93. With the Canadian Aaron Brown, he finished in third in 9.97. Ronnie Baker of the USA was fourth in 9.98. And then you have Charleston of the USA. All of those other athletes, they did over 10 seconds. But we also had athletes like O'Shane Bailey of Jamaica, who did 10.22 in the earlier rounds, and Michael Campbell 10.39. And the next top Jamaican, whose name is Andrew Hudson, he actually did not take part in the race, though he was scheduled, similar like Brianna uh, Williams, who didn't participate in the 100 meters for female. So good outing for Oblique Seville and Akeem Blake. I mean, there's a lot to expect and anticipate on the male side of track and field for Jamaica at this time. As you know, Nkrumah, Buwaji Nkrumah, he also didn't participate at the Carifta, but he has also broken 10 seconds at our ISA Grace Kennedy Boys and Girls Championship just around a week ago. So there are several Jamaicans now consistently going below 10 seconds, meaning that there is a re-emergence of quality male sprinters on the island, and that is good. So, again, Oblique Seville winning the Miramar 100 meters, and second was Akeem Blake 9.91, 9.93. All right, listen, this is good for Jamaica going forward. Lots of competition as they prepare for the World Championships, which comes up this year as well, and that is going to be very interesting. But I am Manningsman. This has been I Am Sure Sports. As usual, we ask you to hit the like button, subscribe, and share. You know, when it gets to this point on our show, we say we are over and we are OUT out of here.